What's up, guys? This is 12 o'clock. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. This time I want to talk about gaskets. A lot of times gaskets cost a lot of money or it takes a long time to get them. This trick will help you get it done quicker and cheaper. You can go to the auto parts store and buy a roll of gasket material and you can make your own gaskets. They have different materials. This is gray gasket material. If you tell them just gray gasket material, that's what they'll give you. It's for pretty much all gaskets, clutch covers, stator covers, oil pan, everything but the head gasket or any rubber gaskets. You can use it for thermostat gaskets, the housings. I've been making my own gaskets for years, and I'm not going to go into how to do it because there's a bunch of ways to do it. If you get the full gasket off, like this one came off, you can just trace it onto here and then you cut it out. You just cut it out with a razor blade, trace it on there. I've even actually printed a picture of one from the computer. I went online, I got a picture of a stator gasket, and I went and I just kept resizing it until it matched the size right here. So the paper gasket actually fit right here after I printed it a couple times and resized it. And then I took that as a stencil and I put it on the gasket material. And like I said, it comes in a roll. It's like 12 bucks a roll. It's super cheap. You can make a bunch of gaskets with it. And maybe someday I'll do a how-to video of exactly how to do that. Well, that's it for this week. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.